What it do, you do, what it do, you do, hey. Oh!
Me, myself, and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man. You niggas living a lie. Middleman trying to play the plug and making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas. Stop it.
Yeah.
What it do, you do, you already know it's your boy DipGodBo, and I'm back with another banger. On today's episode, as you can see behind me, I have this beautiful Dodge Challenger. Customer decided to go with a NARDO GREY removable coating and also decided to go with these bright yellow caliper paint. Beautiful combination. Of course, you guys have seen this before. This is, I want to say, one of the biggest colors that I've done. I think I've done a couple cars so far. This car will be touched by the Dip God. Of course, they call me Mr. Allstate. You're in good hands. So of course, if you want your car done in NARDO GREY with the yellow calipers, hit me up right now. Jump in my DMs right now on Instagram. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I want y'all to stay tuned for the entire video. So smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment in the comment section below, letting me know how y'all think the car turned out at the end of the video. On that note, I'm gonna do a quick walk around the vehicle and show you the before, of course, you see the after, because you're staying to the end of the video.
Oh!
Okay? You're staying until the end of the video. And if you don't, I'm gonna... So after a long day of work, as you can see behind me, I have the NARDO GREY Challenger. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. I'm gonna come back in the morning, 8 o'clock, bright and early, just to make sure everything went out smooth or turned out smooth. I can't wait to see the final product. Tomorrow is delivery day, so make sure you smash that subscribe button, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below, letting me know how you think I did so far. I think I did an awesome job, and I can't wait to unwrap this beauty tomorrow and deliver it to the customer. On that note, it's time for me to go home, get some rest, and I'm back here right in the morning. As you already know, it's your boy, DipGodBo, and I'm out.
Day 2.
So what is good? It is day 2. I'm about to start demasking the vehicle. I can't wait to see the final product. I need y'all to stay tuned and watch the entire video, watch the entire process. Like I said, it's delivery day. Can't wait for the customer to show up. Let's go.
Yeah, I need some dark. I'm gonna get some Dr. K on this shit. That shit gonna go crazy.
Nah, it look good though.
Oh, wait. Hey.
Oh!
Dog, good looks, bro.
Yeah, man.
Good looks.
Y'all boys drive safe, man.
Appreciate it, bro. That girl was right. That's mom.
So with that being said and done, another customer happy, another customer satisfied. Of course, if you want that done to your car, make sure you jump on my DMs on Instagram at DipGodBo, and we can go ahead and get something booked. As of right now, it is Sunday. It is 12:41 in the afternoon. I'm about to go home, rest up a little bit, and get ready for the work week Monday. But luckily, I'm working from home, so I'll be right back in the shop. On that note, man, I want y'all to have a blessed Sunday, and of course, a good start to the week. Make sure all the goals that you have, you accomplish them, and don't give up, don't stop, keep going, because you're only gonna be great. On that note, it's DipGodBo, and I'm out.
In my eyes as a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to them crackers holding that fishing rod.